I want to welcome you to today's episode, and I'm Ibiyemi Keshiro, Yemi Kesh. Yes, the question is, my boyfriend and I have been dating for over 6 years, and now that I want to settle down, my mother insists that I can't marry him because he did not have the height that match up with me because I'm a tall lady, while the guy is not too short, but with average height. We both love ourselves and I can't live without him. Please help me treat this issue. I'm happy that you don't use to mention names of the person that sent the question. I'll be looking forward to it, ma. Truly, we don't mention names. So, and that is why if you have anything bothering your mind that you don't want to discuss with anybody, you don't want them to be mocking you, instead of giving you advice, to be telling people, talk. Do you know that? She told me, do you know that? That is what this program is all about. All you need is just to send what is bothering you to the number on the screen through WhatsApp, or you can give me a call to explain everything to me. So like this topic that the mother is insisting, Mom, I know that you must have been seeing this guy before now. Why don't you tell your daughter then that you can marry him, the guy is too short, the guy did not match up with your stature, all this and that. Anything that you don't want. There is this saying that what you won't take when you are rich, don't take it when you are poor. Immediately you saw the guy, I expect you to must have tell your daughter, babe, you cannot marry this guy. Leave him, let him go because he's short and you are tall. And God that made your daughter tall, he knows what he's doing. And God that brought this guy to your daughter's life knows what he's doing. What if your daughter marries the person that truly match up with her stature and she's not living a good life? What if you marry the person that match up with her stature and they ended up divorced? What if she married the person that you want and at the end of the day nothing works between them? Mommy, which one will you prefer? All I expect from you, especially all our mothers, what I expect from you is to be helping them in prayer. God, let everything work well for them. And to be in case, Mommy, I am talking to all mothers now that you are in this category. As soon as you notice who your daughter is going out with, or you notice the person your son is going out with, if you're not okay with it, before the relationship go deeper, tell your child, I don't want you and him, or I don't want you and her together. And you tell them the reason. Not flimsy excuses like, the guy is too tall, the guy is too short, the guy is... That's why I said it earlier, that maybe the guy is also short financially. You know, there are some mothers, they are Yankobon fita, Yaya fita. Maybe when the guy is coming to your house, they used to bring the necessary, now. Yeah. But at the same time, don't say because of that, you will now destroy 6 years relationship. Mommy, how will you feel? If you nurture something for good 6 years and at the time that you're supposed to benefit from it, somebody now cuts it short from you. To me, it does not sound well. And there is what we call destiny. Mom, do you know that even if you separate them now, one way or the other, God might still bring them together if they are destined to be together. For your daughter to must have sent me this message that I should help her to treat means that she is already at the tight corner. Mommy, go easy, oh. I have to be sincere with you. It's not easy at all. 6 years, man. So we're not talking of 1 year, we're not talking of 6 months, we're not talking of 6 weeks, we're not talking of 6 days. We're talking of relationship of good 6 years. And let's look at it from this angle. Probably, Mommy has noticed some other character from the guy that the lady thought, well, she can patch up with it, maybe with time the guy will change. And there is this saying that, ohun kan tí àgbàlagbà bá rí lórí ìjókòó, tí ọmọdé bá gun ládàá kò lè rí. Sister, I am talking to you now. Maybe there is something that your mom has noticed about the guy and they're like, Mommy, it's just normal thing, you will change. I would advise that you go and pray about it by yourself. Get your personal conviction about the marriage, because if anything should happen, your mom will say it. Shebi, I warned you. Shebi, you said it. Shebi, you say you like him. You say you want her like that. You say you can cope. Please, marriage is not what you can jump. You can jump in, but to jump out is not easy. I can tell you from experience. It is not easy. So for this reason, and I will advise that, Mommy, If there is any other thing you notice apart from the height, please tell your daughter. But if it's because of the height, mommy, leave them. Please, let them continue with their life. And sister, you too, sit down, think about it, reason it, go and pray about it. If God give you, go ahead, my dear sister, go ahead and put your mommy's mind into God's hands, because even the Holy Book says the heart of the king and the chiefs are in God's hands, more or less of your mother. God will change her heart if truly you love the guy and you want to end up with him. Tell God, God, touch my mother's heart. And if it is the guy that is in this situation, tell God, God, I love this lady. I want to marry her. I want to spend the rest of my life with her. And my mom is insisting. I believe that there's nothing God cannot do except lie. God cannot lie. So tell God in prayer, and I believe that God will perfect everything for you. Our mother seal. I believe you must have picked one or two things from today's episode, and I see God helping us in all our endeavors by God's grace. I remain your one and only Yemi Kesh. Keep watching and make sure you share, you like, you follow, you subscribe, and most importantly, drop your own comment under the comment section. Let's see your own opinion about this topic. God bless you. Don't forget that I always love you, all my fans, both home and abroad. I remain your one and only Yemi Kesh. God bless you. See you in my next episode. Bye.